Got a new sponsored package in. I'm just actually working at the shop right now. Just took a little break because this package just arrived, and I'm pretty sure that I know what it is. So it's something we're going to add to the truck, and I just happen to be working on the truck right now. I'm pretty excited to show that this is light bars. Well, not just light bars. They're called whips, I think. So you can put a little flag on there. Comes with the flags. But anyway, this is from AuxBeam, AuxBeam. It's a red RGB, which means it basically has the red, green, and blue light spectrum of all of the different colors. But you can put a flag on here, and I'm going to put the Bone Tactical flag on here, obviously. But pretty cool. It's got like, I don't know, however many tons of programmable colors, and it's bendable, and there's some kind of little flag hooks. It's got a remote control, so you can actually control the lights and all that kind of stuff. So here's the flag hooks, and you put the flag hooks, I guess, pretty much anywhere on here, wherever the flag ends up being, whatever size it ends up being. So we're going to put one of the Bone Tactical flags on here, and we're going to attach these to the expedition vehicle. Obviously, I'm going to put the Bone Tactical flag on here. How cool is that? The light show. Hey guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical, checking in. New sponsored product. Not only is it it's called a whip. Not only is it a cool light addition to the vehicle with Bluetooth and goes to the beat of the music and all that stuff. The coolest thing is it's a way to fly the black flag. That's right, the Bone Tactical small flag. This is the small one. We've got a big one. They're available on the website, at least. Maybe they'll still be available on the website. They're selling like hotcakes at the time of the posting this video. Thank you to AuxBeam Lighting. I'm going to put a link in the description below for sending the whips. They're pretty cool. I'm going to talk a little bit about the whips, and I'm going to show you guys the tomahawk mounts that we built for the truck as well. These are Pro RGB light whips, which means they have a bunch of different modes where you can change all of the different things that they're doing here, and they've got, you know, all kinds of different, you know, you got your Christmas, and you've got your party, and you've got a cell phone app that you can put on there, the cell phone app, and you can kind of just do whatever the heck you want to do with these lights, and, you know, that's kind of what it is. So I think they're cool. We ran the wiring up under the bed, wired it into a fuse panel, and then you can wire it to a switch. You can, it's pretty simple wiring. It comes with just about everything you need for the wiring. I do like AuxBeam for that. Check out the F250 build too, because almost all the lights on the F250 are AuxBeam. I'm starting to go over to these guys and doing a lot more with AuxBeam. What I built was actually a system to display the tomahawks. Okay, this is the Bone Breacher Tomahawk, one of my most popular products. It's actually the world's strongest and sharpest breaching tomahawk. Something that I'm kind of known in the edged weapon community for is building the world's strongest and sharpest tomahawks. This is really the world's first supremely effective breaching tomahawk that's very high quality. And what I did was just take some stainless steel parts here that are already have the hexagon shape on there, and then kind of just welded together a little system to where I could put these on the side of the truck. So they pop in here, all right, like so. Then they're held in tight, okay, with rubber bushings. And then I get the lock in there, and it squeezes everything up tight against that rubber washer that we've got in there. And I can pull them off to use them if I need to, but they're so beautiful, and really I don't like using them so much just because it's really a focus point for my vehicle and kind of something I'm proud of, having these Tomahawks on here. I will show you the other Tomahawk on the other side. That's the modern Warrior version that we originally developed for U.S. Special Forces, and then this is the actual Resolute Warrior version. Beautiful exotic wood handle scales, and then the black patina look. Okay, so really do appreciate you guys tuning in. What I wanted to show here was the Tomahawk mount. Let me know if you think it's cool. Let me know what you think, how you like it. I wanted to show the whips that we've got here from AuxBeam Lighting. All right, thanks for sending us the whips so we can mount the Bone Tactical flags and rock out. Thanks, guys. Bone out.